Okay, today I'm going to be picking up a package here just down the street at an Amazon locker machine outside of 7-Eleven. And you can see there's a lot of different lockers. They only give you like 3 or 4 days to pick up what you need. But there's the scanner that I'll end up using. If I had another camera, I'd show you how it works. But I'll try to do what I can. Okay, so my pickup code here, 233986. Flip, and it opened the door right here automatically. Here's my tiny package. All I have to do is close the door again, and that's pretty much it. This is a really safe way to do it, especially if you're not going to be home. A lot of the 7-Elevens have these lockers to use, so if you have one near you, you can just try it. They are named different. They give you the address. You can check your email or the screenshots I'll send you to enter the code. It's really easy. So I took a screenshot and I'll enter the code that you can see here into the machine.